Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is the basic rules of using quotation marks. Quotation marks are used to enclose direct speech or a quotation from another source, as well as to indicate titles of articles, essays, short stories, or chapters within a larger work. Let's look at the basic rules for using quotations. Rule number 1. Use quotation marks to indicate direct speech or a direct quotation. For example,
I love to read, she said.
Rule number 2. Use single quotation marks to indicate a quotation within a quotation. For example,
The author wrote, I never said that, he explained.
Rule number 3. Punctuation should be placed inside the quotation marks. For example,
I'll meet you at the park, she said.
Rule number 4. If the quotation is part of a larger sentence, use a comma to introduce the quotation. For example,
She said, I'll meet you at the park.
Rule number 5. Use ellipses to indicate omitted words or phrases in a quotation. For example,
To be or not to be, that is the question.
Rule number 6. Use brackets to indicate added words or phrases in a quotation. For example,
She said we have a test tomorrow.
Rule number 7. If the quotation is longer than 3 lines, indent it and do not use quotation marks. This is called a block quote. For example, according to Martin Luther King Jr., I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin but by the content of their character. I have a dream today.
In this example, the text in the block quote is indented and set apart from the surrounding text to indicate that it is a direct quote from Martin Luther King Jr. This formatting helps to distinguish the quote from the rest of the text and draws attention to its importance.
Remember that the rules for using quotations may vary depending on the context and style guide being used. So it's always a good idea to check the specific guidelines for your assignment or publication. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.